What feature do you think we have not yet tried in our Mozilla Thunderbird email? Yes, you guessed it right. We haven't tried the attachments. So today I'll teach you how you can send attachments in your email. So there is a standard format to send attachments in this email. You need to edit message.attachments. Then you have select this format as a JSON object. Inside the object, there should be array of the attachments. In this, there is one attachment, and inside that JSON object, you have to write the file name and the path. So my file name is book2 Excel, and path to this file is this one. Just deploy and inject. So email arrived, you can see. So here is one attachment that is an Excel. We'll open this. So we have successfully attached our Excel file. Now let's try two attachments at the same time. You have to do nothing. Just add one more object same as this. Copy this. Add with comma. Add with comma. And then I have tried a image. So file name is a.png and path to this file is this one. So this is my image. Now let's try. So here are two attachments. So image you can see directly here. It is also in the attachments. An Excel file is also there. And you can try the same mode for PDF or any other type of attachment. So hope you understand. And so we have covered almost all the topics of the email now. And I'll give you more information when I get this. Mm. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.